Hello and welcome again. Today get ready for an elite and triple evolved machine shaped like one of the jewels of the 50s, namely the Optima Elite 3. According to what I have already gathered as information following the models one by one in detail, the chronology of the early production of the Optima is the Optima Elite 1, twin of the Olympia SM1 from Wilhelmshaven, both of which are direct descendants to the Olympia Progress, still produced in Erfurt in the early 40s, the Optima Pona, twin of the Olympia Pona, the Optima Elite 2 in black with this inscription on the back like this one on the Pona, and stamped inscriptions on the front. The Optima Elite 2 like mine, which I have already shown in brown, which with a grey stamped logo and the inscription Elite on the back, and an embossed silver logo on the front, the same as the one on the M10 and M12 models. And then come the Elite 3 and the M12 with the same embossed logo on the front, but clearly shaped to resemble portable and non-portable twin. At first glance you can see the same keyboard as on the Elite 2 with the same tabs and the same key design as the M12. Okay, this standard remained until the end of the Optima brand in the 70s, when the Erfurt factory was bought by Robotron, but it is not only the same keyboard between the Elite 3 and M12. The typing experience is almost the same, and although the mechanisms are significantly different, since one is a portable machine with a lifting carriage and the other is heavy desk machine with a removable carriage and a basket type design, the similarities are obvious. Unlike their predecessors, Progress, Elite 1, Pona and Elite 2, here, as with the M12, the keys hit much lighter and more gently, and it is difficult to happen what happens, for example, with the small Progress, which hits hard but is very light and moves on the table with ease. There is no such danger here. There is also a carriage lock which is missing on the Elite 1 and 2. The other elements are the same, including what I neglected to mention in the Elite 2 review. That these are machines with a detachable body and chassis, which is an interesting idea for a portable machine. There are two bolts at the very back, left and right, under the carriage, and two under the keyboard. The carriage is also the same, except that the paper support is tightly folding like on the M series and on the Erica brand. The most significant difference compared to the Elite 2 is the typical and well distinguishable cover, very similar to the rounded shapes on the M12, as well as the also noticeable rounded rear part, just like the M12. Looking at the wonderful idea of combining these two shades of green on the body and on the keyboard, I understand why the Elite 3 is perceived with superlatives. For this color combination, it really deserves them. The aristocracy combined with elegance and harmonious lines that this little machine exudes is truly impressive. An absolutely worthy rival to any other portable machine of its time. I think that is for today. Thank you for your attention, share your thoughts in the comments, and see you again next week.